Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear the difference between stock and flow. So let us start with the help of definition. What is meant by stock? Stock is the quantity measured at a point of time. Rather, flow are the variables whose magnitude is measured over a period of time. So this is measured over a period of time and this is measured to a point of time. Number 2, stock variables are related to point of time. Flow variables are related to period of time. Here, point of time. Number 3, stock is a static concept. Static means doesn't take changes very rapidly. Number 3, flow is a dynamic concept. Dynamic means in which changes takes place very rapidly. Number 4, stock has not time dimensions but flow has time dimension. Next, let us discuss which are the examples of stock and flow. Suppose that this is a water tap, water tank. Water tank is this is a stock variable. Rather, running water is a flow variable. And moreover, some more examples are: number 2, total number of cars in an economy. Number 3, stock or inventories. Number 4, capital. Number 5, supply of money. Number 6, foreign debt. Number 7, number of machines. Number 8, total number of employees in economy. Number 9, number of sugar mills. Number 10, mineral reserve of India. So these all are the stock variable, and now see how these stock variable can be converted into flow variable. Number of cars in an economy, that is stock variable, but production of cars, that is a stock variable. Number 2, inventories is a stock variable. Change in stock is a flow variable. Next, capital. Capital is a stock variable, rather income is a flow variable. Then supply of money is a stock variable. Expenditure of money is a flow variable. Foreign debt is a stock variable, or interest payment is a flow variable. Number of machines is a stock variable. Depreciation is a flow variable. Then total number of employees in an economy is a stock variable. Number of employees getting job every year, that is a flow variable. Number of sugar mills is a stock variable. Sugar production is a flow variable. Mineral reserve of India is a stock variable. Extraction of minerals every year, that is a flow variable. So once again, water tank is a stock variable, running water is a flow variable. Then number of cars is a stock variable, production of car is a flow variable. Inventories are stock variable, change in stock are flow variable. Capital is a stock variable, income is a flow variable. Then supply of money is a stock variable, expenditure of money is a flow variable. Foreign debt is a stock variable, interest payment is a flow variable. Number of machine is a stock variable, depreciation flow variable. Then total number of employees in the economy, that is a stock variable, or number of employees getting job, that is a flow variable. Number of sugar mills is a stock variable, or sugar production is a stock variable. Mineral reserve of India is a stock variable, or extract of mineral every year, that is a flow variable. So in this way we can make the difference between stock and flow. So do subscribe my channel to see some more differences related to the concept of macroeconomics. Thank you.